Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will tell you how to reduce the size of large video files. So let's get started. Here's a sample video. Its size is 18 MBs as you can see. We will compress this file using software named Handbrake. So let's download and install it first. To download the software, go to your browser and search for Handbrake. Here open the first website, then click the download button. After downloading, run the program and install it. After installation, run the software and import your video file. Here in this drop-down menu, you have many options you can select. I am using 1080p resolution for my file. Under the video tab, you can change the quality of a video or increase the FPS. I am selecting 60 FPS. After that, press this button and wait for your output video. After encoding, go to the output folder. You can see your file size is reduced from 18 MBs to 1.85 MBs. Time for the quality comparison. We will run both files one by one. You can see the quality of the file remains the same. That's all I got for this video. If this video helped you a bit, then make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.